The Innovative Idea Lab is a collaborative space between Innovative Interfaces and the Innovative Users Group. It's where library staff can submit and vote on new features and enhancement for innovative products, including Polaris. Innovative then uses the feedback in the product development. Since its launch in 2017, Innovative has implemented almost 30 ideas from Idea Lab as of July of 2019. Every staff member can participate in Idea Lab. This 2-minute tutorial will review how to create a login and the basic navigation for Idea Lab. The Idea Lab can be accessed at idealab.iii.com. The first time you visit the site, create a login. Click where it says Please register by clicking on this link to jump to the account creation page. Enter your information. Please use your library email address, confirm that you accept the terms and conditions, and submit to register. The Idea Lab is separated out into challenges. 2 challenges are ongoing. These are the Always Open space. Staff can submit and review ideas at any time in the Always Open space. Parts 2 and 3 of the series will review how to submit an idea and how to vote on ideas. The Idea Lab will also occasionally feature a timed challenge. These timed challenges are open for a designated period of time and are centered around a theme. For example, here we have a timed challenge for technical services enhancements. Ideas progress through various stages before being accepted as an enhancement. Innovative relies on user interactions in the form of votes and comments to assess the level of interest from customers on an idea. If the idea progresses, it is evaluated by a team of experts made up of both library staff and Innovative staff. Ideas that do not progress are archived, while ideas that do progress can be selected for development or marked for future consideration. This has been a 2-minute tutorial introduction to the Idea Lab. If you have any questions, please email help@ccslib.org.